Hello, this is Iceman and I'm making video on the Hot Wheels. Today I went to the store. Well, I haven't found much, no supers for today, but I have found on a regular treasure hunt. This is Volkswagen Beetle short card. Well, pretty cool car, but I'm not big fan of this car. And here another one. Got couple of McLarens short-carded. I only found this in one store. And two Ferraris. Didn't find super this time. Maybe next time. I don't know. I like also BMW, the blue color, pretty cool. And Honda Civic, very nice car. I love this GDM cars. And guess what? Instead of super, I found an error. This is Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, and well, you hardly can see it, but this car got different wheels. So this wheel is fine, but this wheel, another one, is different. Well, let me show you. You probably don't see it, but they are different. The only color is the same. So this is like, oh no, you can see it here. They are spook wheels, both of them. So pretty cool. Here my majorette for today. Well, it's not Hot Wheels, but pretty cool cars. This is Nissan GTR. Actually, these cars, they got a suspension and the open doors. They're a bit expensive. Well, not expensive, I mean they're a bit higher price than Hot Wheels, but very cool cars. This is my Mustang Boss. Nice color. And here this is BMW Z4. Very cool car. So, this is my cheat for today. Sorry I didn't make video at store, but I was really tired for today and actually I haven't found anything special. But for me this is like a super treasure hunt with different wheels. It looks quite cool, and too bad I cannot really show it to you on a camera, but I'm really excited of this car. So I guess thank you for watching and see you again. Bye bye.